Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to music. So let's get started. Say these words with your English voice. 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 This is the sound that is made when a person speaks or sings. In a sentence, she has a beautiful voice. Sing. Sing. This is to make a musical sound with your voice. My friends and I love to sing together. Hum. Hum. This is to sing without opening your mouth. He began to hum along with the music. Band. Band. A band is a group of musicians who play modern music together. I am the guitarist in our band. Song. Song. A song is a short piece of music with words that are sung. I will sing my favorite song at the concert. Duet. Duet. A duet is a song or other piece of music sung or played by two people. The duet that Jack and Kate sang together was great. Choir. Choir. This is a group of people who sing together. I have choir practice today.